Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm actually on a fast, trying to clean up the body and center up everything. So I'm gonna go get a salad with my husband. I'm dragging him to get salad. So if you want to see what look I create, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
Don't be sad, don't be lonely.
I actually got this palette from Mario. I didn't get it from him because Mario don't know who I am, so he does like I bought it with my own money. So let us jump into here. This palette actually doesn't really, it's not like a crazy palette, but I think it's like the perfect nude palette, right? So let us jump into this. I'm gonna use this brush from Morphe. It's an E13. I think I'm gonna go into the black shade, and we're just gonna put this here. This is very pigmented. I'm just gonna leave it like right here. Like everybody has this palette, I think. Like every influencer. I'm keeping it a little tight. This is a nice black though. I didn't mean to put black since I'm really wearing all black today. I think I'm gonna break up all this black. I think I'm gonna put like a camo jacket or something over. It's cold, so it's time for layers and layers and layers. Because we're getting ready for some little bit of a winter weather. And just like leave this like this, like I'm not trying to bring it too high. This is a nice black. We're gonna let this look pretty matte today. This is a Y204, and I think I'm gonna go into this shade right here, maybe. And let's put this like right here. Oh god, this is pigmented like crazy. So this is very pigmented, guys, very pigmented, but it blends like butter. Like it just blends. Like it just blends. Like there's nothing in there to blend. But anybody can blend this. And guys, I'm just like dabbing my brush and just taking the smallest amount. Cause this is really, really pigmented. I just broke my sister. My sister used to wear like NARS concealer and Estee Lauder foundation. For makeup stuff, my sister just kind of wear what I say that's good. But I promise I won't stray her, But I just changed her to Mario, and she really likes how the foundation and concealer feels. So she might be, a new Mario girl. She's gonna come here to visit pretty soon, and when she comes, I'm actually gonna have her also test out like Lady Gaga's line, House Lab, because I think that's a really good line as well. And I don't want her to just be like stuck on one thing, because I've learned that you need to not do that, especially when it comes to makeup. And these people like always discontinuing lines, because then you like stuck. I know that's kind of why I have like kind of gone away from MAC a bit, because MAC used to do that. Oh well, they do that a lot, and then I'll get something that I really like and then they discontinue it, and I'm like, no, nope, we're not doing that. So instead I'm just gonna not get too attached, right? So I think this is actually really cute. Now I'm gonna go with this shade right here, and I'm gonna put it in my inner corner. Like this right here. And this is on 209. I'm just like blending it because I just want everything to just look nice and seamless. And then this is 217, and I think I'm gonna use another shade to like blend this with the black. Maybe this brown right here, and then just blend this right here. And I'm gonna go back here to that really light shade and then bring it a little. And then what is my brush that I was using for the black? Just a little bit more black, just a little bit, just to blend here. Perfect. Now we're gonna use that from, let's test that out. This is from Iconic London, and I'm gonna use it to do a wing. I'm gonna go with the big part first. And then perfect. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Actually, sorry, I did say I was gonna go off camera and I'll be right back, but I lied. Let's go ahead and test that. So this is the mascara from YLS, and it's a Lash Confidence. So let's go ahead and use that. I don't see anything. I can barely see it. No, let me go do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. First, I'm gonna use my primer that I got in my BoxyCharm, which is from FARAH Beauty. It's like a silicone primer with a little bit of like wet feel. I'm gonna focus it here. Now, let's go talk about this foundation. So this is from HudaBeauty. My shade is Desert, or that's what I got because that's the only thing that they had that was the closest to my complexion. There is 20 shades and it is $8.25. I think I pay a little bit less than that for it, but we'll go with that. Before I do that, let me color correct real quick. This is my corrector from HudaBeauty, and this is Mango. Just a little bit, just a little bit. Yeah, this is my perfect color corrector shade. So let us I don't know if this is full coverage, but we'll see. This is thick. I don't know, I have a scratch on my nose right here. I'm not even sure where I get it. If I did it while I was sleeping or while I was walking. Because when I'm walking, we walk in like neighborhoods that have like branches up kind of on the sidewalk, so it could be that too, but who knows? I'm gonna use my HudaBeauty concealer and just a little bit. I'm not gonna go too crazy while I go crazy. And we're gonna let this dry up a little bit. While this is drying, let us jump in our... I'm gonna use my Mario. Oh, this was not planned. Like I use his eyeshadow palette. Sorry, I went blank for a second. Then I'm using his contour Scorpion. See, this is just a skin enhancer. See, I'm trying to get my sister into like a little bit like a bronzer, you know, little situation, and I think when she comes up, I'm gonna have her try this. And that's enough. And let us blend this concealer. And this is my slick brush. Oh, sorry. The brush I use for my contour is the E44 from Morphe. I hope they still carry those brushes because I think I need to check on their site. I think they discontinue a lot of brushes in that Elite line, if not all of it. I love these brushes. So again, I don't like people that discontinue stuff. Actually, let me correct that, right? Like, I understand if something is not selling and you discontinue it, like that makes sense, right? Like, it's not selling, let's discontinue it. But if something is doing really, really good, like, why would you discontinue it? I don't know. Man, I have some skin tags that I've been trying to, like, I'm doing like the skin tag removing thing, and that is not working. So I'm pretty sure eventually I'm just gonna have to go to a dermatologist and have them removed. See, I have one right here, and I have one kind of like right where I do my wing liner. I have one there, which is annoying because I can't wing. We're gonna go in with this powder from Charlotte Tilbury, but before I do that, let me make sure there's like very little crescent, and then we go in. It's just the setting powder, but in shade 1. This just looks like butter. Now we're gonna go into our house labs, and I'm gonna set the rest of my concealer, and there I go a little bit heavier. Not too crazy either. I don't really bake like that because I feel like when I bake it makes under my eye dry. Let's go with HudaBeauty Conifer. And then for blush, I'm also gonna use a blush from House Labs, and this one is shade Dragon Fruit Days. Okay, now let's line the lip. For lining the lip, I'm gonna use this. This is Universal Earth from Makeup Forever. And for lipstick, I'm gonna go ahead and use Breadwinner from Fenty Beauty. These lipsticks are like so good. Oh, this is dark. This is quite vampy. That is not the look I was going for. So I have this from Tinted, and it is Loud. Let's see if we can break this down a little bit. And then let us set her and forget her. Oh no, oops. One more thing I need to do is use this from my BoxyCharm, which is my highlighter. So we're gonna go in, I don't know, I feel like this is gonna be dark. So this is from Tres Luce Beauty. And then I'm putting that on a T15. But it's not too bad. It's okay. Okay. Okay, so that's it for this video. I like how everything looks. Nice, simple, cute. You know. Just to go hang out with the baby. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Don't be sad.